If you would like to maximize the usage of AI and be able to create beautiful landing pages without having any content, you're on the right video. In this video, we will start from literally no content at all to a full landing page in under 20 minutes. My name is Bunin. I'm co-founder of Pareto Talent, where we find, place, and manage executive assistants with entrepreneurs. And in this video, we'll be showing you how to maximize the usage of ChatGPT and Lovable.dev to build beautiful landing pages and speed up your go-to-market strategy, so you have a full offer that you can present to somebody else to quickly test it to ensure that you have something valid. Now, the landing page that we'll be building today is for the newest app that I just developed, which is basically acts like a wish list where people can add all of the items that they want to have purchased or purchase themselves. They can populate them in here, and then they will be able to send links to somebody else and so on. So I want to have a landing page where people will be able to learn more about this app, see what it's doing, and then register in there. So let's start straight away. So I will start by using Offer Maker. This is a custom GPT that I developed. This custom GPT is available in our free vibe coding incubator community. So if you're not yet here, you can join by going to vcinc.ai and you'll get access to this custom GPT for free. If you just want to use ChatGPT, that's fine. You will be able to get similar results to me. So in here, I will go ahead and explain what is that we actually given to people, right? Hey, I would like to create a landing page for my new app that I built. This app focuses on helping users to create wish lists where they can populate links for Amazon and other places. It will automatically fetch the image, the name of the product, and the price, and then they are able to share this wish list with their loved ones, partners, and so on. I want to prepare a landing page that presents this offer and outlines what this app is doing, and then prompts them to start using it for free. I will outline like something like that, give a little bit more context in order to be able to generate the content for my landing page. Because the first thing you need to build a landing page is to know what you want to say on the landing page, right? You doesn't make sense to just open up a Lovable or any other vibe coding tool and just say that, hey, build me a landing page. Like, you will get trash results, because if you input the trash in, you get the trash out. So our goal in here is to define what is the landing page about and who will be seeing that, what we want people to do, and then copy that and provide that to Lovable, right? So let me go through this quick little exercise. So this particular custom GPT allows you to answer again questions one by one, like what is ICP and so on. So ICP is ideal customer profile, like who's our client and who will be opening that. What is the outcome? What is the constraints? What is the mechanism of delivery? That what is the proof? What is the delivery model? Risk reversal? All of these other things. Allowing you create amazing offers, and then based on this offer, you can create amazing copy for your landing page, right? So let's go through this exercise real quick. So ideal ICP in our case will be couples, it will be kids and parents, it will be partners that want to share their wish list with each other. It can also be individual users that want just to save items that they want to buy, right? The single job to be done. So the primary goal of this wishlist app is to be able to save items that you would like to have, and then be able to share them with the loved ones with the links. So the loved ones can just click and open and buy it for you. Next, for the desired outcome, they will be able to build and share the shopping list in less than 5 minutes. So that should be a pretty straightforward process. They can save hours. I don't know exactly how many, but just hours versus doing it manually. Because imagine again yourself just populating a spreadsheet or something of items that you would like to have. And the idea here is that it's not just like one app, it's multiple of different stores where you can populate the products from. So for example, Amazon itself has the wish list, but if you also want something from different websites, you won't see that in there. So this app kind of solves that. Next, for the constraints. So the constraints that our users have right now is not being able to see everything in one place, not being able to give the loved ones the link for the wish lists that they want, because it just feels weird to send them individual links. But instead, they send them a beautiful wish list, and then the person realizes that, yeah, actually, you can buy it for me, right? Next, for how it works, we do have auto fetch across any URL. We do have claimed tracking. We don't have it right now, but I will add it shortly. We also have automatic prices updates and so on. So whenever user opens the app, they see all of the relevant information in there. As of right now, we don't have any proof analysis because this is a brand new app. But if you count me and my wife who use that, then 100% of users enjoy using this app. Now, delivery model. So today we have the basic functionality, but we also will add AI. We will add statistics and extra features to the app. So the app is completely free, so there should no be risk reversal. So for the users open up and the app is free for them. So as the bonuses, we will be having later on, we will be having statistics on what are the most popular items and items that are being added the most right now. We don't have any caps. We don't have any constraints for the scaling because this is an open app that is generally available to everyone. And then for the pricing is completely free. So no hidden fees whatsoever. Okay, so that is pretty straightforward. So this is again free open app. I just want to create a quick landing page for that. If you have a service-based business or a business that needs a little bit more explanation and persuasion, this is where it actually works in perfectly, right? Okay, so ICP and the problem. So couples, parents, smart fetch engine. So it basically added the trademark for that. So now we sound more robust. What's included? Proof and credibility, risk reversal, eligibility and capacity, anyone can join. This iOS and web, kind of. It's on the web right now. Pricing and terms, CTA. Okay. Now it goes ahead and outlines us the wireframe for the landing page straight away. So create and share your wish list in under 5 minutes. Add items from any store. Will grab the image, name, and price for you. Problem, promise, the struggle. That's pretty good. But now we need to do the branding and we need to do the design part of that, right? So for that, we have a couple of ways to do that. I would like to use Dribbble. So I will move to here. I will move to Dribbble.com, and in Dribbble we will jump to the web design and get some inspiration for how we want our landing page to look, what we want it to feel like, right? I want it to be very friendly. I want it to be very casual, so people are more likely to use this app, right? Because all of these are way too professional, way too polished, in my opinion. We need something a bit more playful. Let's try in here. So let's go app, not design, but app landing page. Boom. Okay, yeah, something like that. These are pretty good. What colors do we want? Maybe something like that because it's more tailored to women, perhaps, right? So let's copy that image. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's paste that in here. Let's check something else out. So we are not copying and duplicating everything. We are using that as inspiration. That's the big difference. The main one. So I like these cards. I like when we have big cards presenting information and so on. But they also use these mockups, which it will take us some time to develop. We can do them pretty quickly, but I don't feel like doing them right now straight away. Yeah, maybe something like that perhaps as well, right? But we just one screen. We need more. Something like that is cool. Copy image. Let's use that as well. Okay, let's provide that. Now, the other thing that I will use, I will go to YouTube and I will go to UI UX videos. So best landing page design principles. With full transparency, I have a full custom GPT that is trained on that stuff, but I would want to show you how I would do that if I was to start from scratch, right? So that as well, the magic formula, let's use that and so on. So here's what we will do next. We will open up these videos and we will scroll down and go to the transcript. And we will copy the transcripts of these videos. That will be our kind of knowledge base for our GPT. And you can again use any other videos, any other content that you would like the GPT to be trained on. Because the goal is not to rely on what AI tells you is good. The goal is to feed AI with the proper context and information that will allow it to succeed, right? So you want to give it good, strong, best practices that will result in it generating something good, right? That video as well. That guy is good. Boom. Let me open transcript here as well. I'm not sure why it slows for so long. Oh, here we go. Boom. So we can go in here and scroll down. Up. Okay, I'm providing you with screenshots of the websites that I liked, as well as transcripts of the videos from YouTube that specify the best practices for the web design and landing pages in particular. I want to use you to use all of this information and output me the master prompt for the design that will accompany the content of our landing page. I want you to define the brand style. I want you to define the colors, fonts, other things based on the screenshots and based on the best practices from the transcripts that I will provide. Okay, so usually I would split it in a couple of different prompts, but I'm a bit on a rush because I promised that we'll do that in 20 minutes. So that video number 1, let's do video number 2. Okay, so let's copy that part. Here we go. Let's go here, video number 2. Let's provide these 2 videos. I think they should give enough context. And let's click enter. So we'll feed it with all of that information in here. I'll let it sync, let it cook. As you can see, like it's analyzing all of the materials that we gave to it. So now, as you can see, it goes ahead and develops us the brand. So positioning, one wish list for everything, sharing minutes, personality, warm, modern, delightful, visual direction, 12-gram column. So it goes ahead and uses all of the things that these guys mentioned, right? What are the color schemes? What are the colors that we're going to use based on the images provided? What is the typography? And so on. Type scale that it uses major serifs, which is the best practices for the scaling typography in the web design. Components and styles, hero section, trust. So yeah, here we go. It goes ahead, provides all of that. Now we need to use that plus the copy, right? It might be a little bit of too long of a prompt for Lovable, to be honest. So I might want to condense it a little bit. So that's, I think, exactly what we're going to do. Oh, as you can see, it went ahead and developed one-line generator prompt. Let's try that. Let's see what it will come up with. Now, based on these best practices that you outlined, as well as on the content of the landing page that you outlined above, generate me one big prompt that I can give to Lovable, so Lovable will understand exactly what it needs to do. It needs to specify what sort of landing page we are building, what are the sections, what is the content for the sections, and it all needs to be outputted in the markdown block, so I will be able to copy that and paste it directly in Lovable. Let's try that. We'll see if that works. If it doesn't, then we will restart with more simple. So we will use like probably that prompt, and then we will output the copy. But I think we can provide like the whole copy in there and so on, and Lovable should be able to do a good job, but we'll test it right now. Okay, so now as you can see, it goes ahead and uses best practices for the prompt generation in here. It uses the training wheel approach where it divides everything into the blocks, right? And outputs us like what is the color, what is the hover color, and so on. We'll see like what are the actual colors that it came up with, because let me try here. Yeah, here like lavender. Okay, it's fine. And the hover, then secondary surfaces, soft peach, muted, and so on. Then what is our typography? Then section by section content, so navigation, hero section, what is the like trust row, how it works, features. So you see like all of these features and how it works. This is the reason why we went through this exercise of defining the offer that we have, right? So now AI has enough context in order to do that based on what I mentioned to it, because you don't want to rely just on AI generating your content and your landing pages. You want to give it enough context so it will be able to succeed, right? Okay, so now as you can see, we generated the full prompt. It's pretty long, but I think we should be able to use that. So I copied that, and now I will navigate to Lovable.dev. I will open this app that we are creating, which is, I believe, that one. Okay, and now, oh, there is some service degradation from a vendor, maybe slower than usual. How lucky we are that I decided to record the video right now. Let's try to build it still. Hey, I would like now to create a landing page for this app. Here is the context and instructions. Boom, boom. And then I will put the whole thing in here and I will just roll with this. So we will do two things. I will do that in initial, in my original chat, right? But I will also go ahead and launch it separately. I just want to see if the context of the chat will make any difference to the output, because I already have like this app developed in there. So I want to ensure that it kind of works, because otherwise I might just want to use two different domains for that. The reason I like to use markdown a lot whenever I generate prompts is that it just looks beautiful. So it just outlines everything for you. It looks like a well-structured document rather than a simple prompt, right? So let's now give a little bit of time. Hopefully this service degradation won't prevent us from making this video at all. I'll connect with you once it generates the first draft of the landing page. Okay, so just as I lighten up my cigar, it's spin out the preview in here, and as you can see, it spent 2.5 credits and overall worked just for 4 minutes. So in 4 minutes, you are able to have that, a fully ready to go landing page. I love the font that it chose. It looks amazing, and the colors also looks very crisp and nice and within our app. We would definitely need to replace that with our actual app. Then works with any store, this is good, and we will just replace it with real logos. Paste or share the link, out of edge details, share with one link, so start free. Features, benefits. Then in here we will add more mockups. We can have a user in here, how many lists were created, is it really free? So it's ready to go landing page. It has everything you might want in the landing page. The navigation works, and it was with one prompt. So that's why the prompting, the initial prompting, is so important for you. So you will actually put in the context in order to generate something that works well. Now, this is a standalone version of our landing page. This is a landing page without the context of our app. Let me check if it generated in here. So yeah, as I can see, it also got that generated here. Let me try to navigate to this landing page. Yeah, here we go. So that's one is with the context, right? As you can see, the font for some reason wasn't transferred in here, but overall layout looks very similar, right? How it works, out of edge, everything you need. A wishlist that looks great anywhere. So in here it's like a mockup for the app, like the standalone version. So that version is much stronger in my opinion. So that's what we got in here. Now, in order for us to move forward, in order for us to have image in here, right? There is a couple of ways we can do that. I would probably just use a mockup and just do it manually rather than use AI. You can use iPhone mockups, and then with our app I would just open our app that we got. So let's use profile perhaps. No, okay, let's go back. How do I access the app now? Dashboard? Yeah, here we go. Let's use that, and now I can do this and then just make a screenshot of all of that, right? Then I can go to iPhone mockups. I can find a quick little mockup in here that would work. I need something light. Boom, boom, boom. Something like that, for example, right? Or here. That's outdated iPhone. Let's actually use some websites. There is a lot of websites that already have like all of this work done for us, right? So I can go in here, ublast Canva. We can also use Nana Banana for that. Try to. So let me try to paste that in here. Create image. Put the following screenshot of the app on the iPhone mockup. Oh, okay. So yeah, here we got our quick little mockup. I can mention to this, I would like it to be without a background and have a hand holding the phone instead, and have it horizontal. Let's try something like that. And meanwhile, let me show you how to add the photo. So you will literally just open your page in here. You can drag and drop the photo that you made and tell it, hey, on our hero section, let's replace the mockup that you got with the one that I uploaded. Okay, while it's doing that, let me check in here. Okay, here we go. So yeah, you can use AI for all of that. Disregard what I mentioned before, and then you can just place this. I feel like proportions are not realistic, but I might be wrong. But basically, you would just download this video and upload this video the same way. Download this image and upload this image the same way to Lovable. Once it's ready to go, click publish and add your domain in here, so you can connect your domain. And once I publish that, you will see that Lovable will have click little banner in the bottom right corner, right? So now my website is live, but here, if I open that, you will have a quick banner in here. If you want to remove that, you just go in here, you go to the product here, settings, and then hide badge, and that's it. Then you can also customize the fav icon in here, and you can customize the title of your website and description of your website, and you're good to go. So as I can see, it was a little bit more than 27 minutes of recording time, so probably once it's edited it will be about 20 minutes. So that's literally how quickly you can take from idea to a ready to market landing page. Then you take this landing page and start promoting it, run ads to that, start posting it on your social medias, maybe ask somebody else to post this, and this is how you launch something in super quick time with AI tools like Lovable. If you would like to learn more about the vibe coding and how to use it to grow your business, then join our vibe coding incubator. It's completely free, and we have weekly calls, we have resources, we have community of more than 700 other founders that try to use these tools in order to grow their businesses. And I will be excited to see you in there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.